Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dim bhuna. Dim bhuna is a delicious, rich egg curry, a staple in many South Asian homes. Its name means roasted eggs or fried eggs in a spicy, thick gravy. It is known for its deep, aromatic flavors and its beautiful, reddish-brown color. This dish offers a wonderful balance of heat and savory notes, perfect for any meal. To begin, gather about 6 hard-boiled eggs, 4 large onions finely sliced, and a few essential spices. You will need ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, and garam masala. Fresh ingredients truly elevate the taste of this dish, so select the best produce you can find. Preparing your ingredients, like boiling the eggs and chopping the onions, makes the cooking process smoother. Start by sautéing the sliced onions in a good amount of oil until they turn a deep golden brown, almost caramelized, for about 15 minutes. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and the powdered spices, cooking until their raw aroma disappears. Gently add the boiled eggs, lightly pricked, allowing them to absorb the rich, flavorful gravy. Simmer for about 10 minutes, ensuring the spices fully coat each egg. Dim bhuna pairs wonderfully with steamed basmati rice, warm naan bread, or flaky parathas, offering a truly satisfying experience. Garnish your finished dish with fresh chopped cilantro for a vibrant, appealing presentation. For the best flavor, allow the curry to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving, as this helps the spices to fully develop. Enjoy this hearty, flavorful meal with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.